Good morning, everyone. Sanibonani, Molweni, Dumela, Nda. Thank you for volunteering to help make our second year of Assupol Cares Community Week another success.
Serving is the foundation that this company was built on. I can't think of any insurer that uses the word serving like we do. Serving is an ethos that means we act intentionally and willingly to better the lives of those around us. As Assupol Cares, we address the practical needs through our volunteering and our donations. As we go out there, let's give hope as we serve.
I never expected this, and this looks like a royal treat. It looks like manna.
Sincerely wish to thank Assupol for doing this for us, and your contribution is huge, huge. Lorraine, no excuse for late food. We're going to slow cook all your food from now on.
Adifumana